how to make money on Upwork as a resume rewriter. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to filling out the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. And after that, click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, I'm just going to enter my email and then click on continue with email. Then enter my password, click on login. And wait for it to get verified. And then this is how we can create our profile, but this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back to start from the first step. So let's go back. And this is the first step of creating our profile. So let's get started. And here we have to go through some questions. First, have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. And then you did the same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits your situation as well. Then click on next. Same thing with this other question. We have 3 options to choose from, but this time we're going to choose all of them choices. And then click on next to create a profile. So here, how would you like to tell us about yourself? And you have 3 options to go with if you want to import your profile from LinkedIn, or if you want to upload your resume from your desktop, if you have it in a file or in a PDF. And here, if you want to fill it out manually, it will not take 15 minutes, it will take less than 5 minutes. So I would like to go with the third option, filling it out manually. Start a new profile. And here you enter your skill, which is resume rewriter, and then click on next to add your previous work experience. Click on the plus button, and here you can add your work experience. Title, software engineer, company, Microsoft, London. This is just an example. And then you proceed to add in your education history. So here you can add your education history, school, Northwestern University, degree, field, and so on. And after that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So here, English is a must. As you can see, all profiles include this. So you can just choose your level in English. For me, I believe my level is conversational. Then you can add other languages. I'm going to add 2 more. Second one is Arabic, and the third is French. And Arabic is my native language, and I studied French in school, and my level in it is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here, they've already suggested some skills for us, which is resume. Let's choose it. And here you can add maximum 15 skills. You can add them in here. After that, click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm a resume rewriter, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you'll get a very good bio. Then make some adjustments to it and make sure to add some personal information to it and copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm going to copy Marty's bio. Go into ChatGPT will make the video very long and you will get bored. So let me just settle for Marty's bio. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here, search for a service. What are the main services you offer? You can search for a service in here, or you can just choose the suggested services for you. I'm going to choose these suggested services. Then click on next to set your rate. You can choose your hourly rate in here. I'm going to go with $30 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here, fill the location information and the date of birth, and then upload your photo where you show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you a strategy that I personally do in order to improve my profile to attract more clients. So what I do basically is I search for people that are doing the same skill like mine in this platform. So basically I search for my competitors. I see the highest, or I look for the highest earner amongst them, and then I follow everything he does. If I see something that works for them, I implement that to my profile as well. So here I'm going to show you the method. Enter your skill, search, and here keep searching between these profiles, and make sure to pay attention to their how much they earned, and make sure to recognize the highest earners, and that's who we're going to go for. We're going to spy on the highest earners, and then we're going to see their bio, how much they're getting paid per hour, and then we're going to copy that and implement it to our bio. So make sure to check all of the pages from time to time, see if they changed something. If it's working for them, change it yourself. And guys, in order to find more work in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and go to this search box and enter your skill again. Then you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So here, enter your skill, and let's just remove rewriter. Let's go with resume, and here click on search. 3 results found for resume design freelancer. Let's go with resume writer. So here it is, a lot of jobs. You can apply for some of them and see if they will accept you. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.